Hello, I am Cody Curtin with the H Barnum Applications Group, and today I will be showing how to connect a Lumberg IO-Link Master block to a Siemens PLC using Profinet communication. So these XSL blocks from Lumberg are multi-protocol, and what that means is using the rotary dials here on this block, we can change what this communicates to. These blocks are capable of Ethernet IP, Profinet, EtherCAT, and Modbus TCP. All you have to do is change that rotary dial and it will change the protocol. A new block coming from the factory can be set to the desired protocol with that rotary switch, but if this is a block that's already been used or you're unsure, the first step to this is doing a factory reset. Take those rotary switches, turn them to 979, do a power cycle, that will set this back to factory defaults. Then, since we are going to be doing Siemens Profinet with this, we're going to take the first rotary switch, we're going to point it to the P, and then we're going to do another power cycle, and now this block is permanently set for Profinet communications until we do another factory reset. So when connecting these blocks to the TIA portal from Siemens, most people use a GSD file, and the GSD files can be found on Lumberg's website at catalog.belden.com, and you can navigate to the part number of the block. Once you find that part number, there's a download section, and you'll be able to click the GSD file, download that, and bring that right into TIA portal. Once you install your GSD file into TIA portal, you have an IP address set on the Profinet communication for your PLC, then we can start adding the block into the PLC. First thing you're going to do is you're going to navigate over to the catalog section, and you're going to find the Lumberg block that was added in after we installed the GSD file. You can take that and drag it right into the network topology, and we can connect the two devices with a Profinet link. Once the devices are connected on the Profinet network, we can then go to the configuration view of the Lumberg block, and we'll first set an IP address of the block. Set the IP address and give this block a unique name, especially if you're going to be using more than one of these blocks on this PLC. Go to your device view, right click, and assign a name to it. Once your name is assigned, you'll be compiling the changes we just made to the PLC. Compile hardware and compile software. And then download these changes to the PLC. Finally, go online with your PLC and verify the connection to the Lumberg XSL block. The Lumberg Master should all be green check marks showing it's communicating properly with the Profinet network. This IO-Link Master block by default is configured to be all digital inputs. If you look in the device overview, we can modify each port and pin to a configuration we need for our application. For this video, I'm showing I have an IO-Link device on port 2. I'll be deleting the current option, which is the digital I/O, and replacing it with a IO-Link configuration. Under Submodules in I/O device, you can find all the options to configure each port. Click the desired option, drag it onto the free I/O-Link spot we just made from deleting, and be aware of the data size options when selecting your I/O-Link, and make sure you have enough that closely matches your I/O-Link device. If you always need to check, error on the high side instead of a low side. Once the ports are set to the configuration you like, and you're ready to use your device with this block, make sure you compile and re-download, because these are configuration changes in the PLC, and you can go back online and verify your devices are talking. That's a general setup for the Lumberg XSL talking to Profinet. If you are going to be going further into your programming and need more assistance, please reach out to your H Barnum representative, and we'll be able to help you by calling into applications or directing you to someone else who has that information, or even another YouTube video. Thank you for watching.